Oh, Eddie, what are you, crazy? Okay. Oh my.
There you go, Eddie. Look at them all.
Go ahead.
5 of them.
Look at that little cute one on the rock. Oh my God.
Taking a break.
They look so soft.
Yeah, go ahead and touch them.
Yeah.
Nice.
Go ahead, come on. Come on. Here you go. Here you go, come on. Come on, you want it, I know you do. Oh, don't be hissing at me. I'm giving you food, for Christ's sake.